Welcome to Surrey Pension Fund's My Pension Portal tutorial series. In this video, we're going to go through the annual benefit statement section on My Pension Portal. Here, you can view and compare all of your previous annual benefit statements in one location. To navigate to this section, select View My Statements on your dashboard or navigate to the menu and select Annual Benefit Statements. Your Pension Update page. If you have multiple records, you can select the relevant employment under the title Employment on the left-hand side. Under the title Statement Year, you will find a drop-down of all the years that you have had annual statements for. These are organised from most recent to oldest years. There are also 3 tabs you can select from: Pension Forecast, Pension Breakdown, and Death Benefits. Let's start with the Pension Forecast tab. This includes the following details: pension holder, the name of the member, your pension start date, your retirement date. If we scroll further down, we will find our What You Could Get When You Retire section. This explains when you joined the fund and what your age was at the time of joining, how much you were to receive per year if you retire at your normal pension age, and how much this figure would be as a monthly income. The next area will show you your standard benefit option and your maximum lump sum option. Your standard benefit option will show you how much you are currently on course to receive annually when you retire. Your maximum lump sum option will show you your maximum lump sum and what your annual salary pension would be reduced to if you took your maximum lump sum figure. Please note, this is an example record and is only used for illustrative purposes. Detailed information and breakdown section. Here, you can expand the drop-down and get more information on how this estimate was calculated. Finally, you can download a printed version of this information. Select Download a printed version. Let's continue with the Pension Breakdown tab. This page is a summary of how your pension changed in your selected annual pension year. You will have a summary of how much your combined pension increased or reduced by. This will then show you your current pension value per year. In this example, from the 1st of April 2024 to the 31st of March 2025. Just expand the drop-down and you will see more details on how this was calculated based on the pension scheme you belong to. For the purpose of this video, this record belongs to 2 schemes: the Main Section Care Scheme and Final Salary Benefits. If you select the question mark icon next to Care, you will be shown more information about the Care Scheme. In this record, the Care, or Career Average Revalued Earnings Scheme, is the primary pension with the Surrey Pension Fund. Since 2014, we add the equivalent of 1/49th of your pensionable pay into your final pension every year. For the Care Scheme, this is 1/49th of pensionable pay. In this area, you'll find your annual accrual rate. For the Care Scheme, this is 1/49th of pensionable pay. You will also be able to see how much the pension has increased by. The final figure shows, when you retire, how much this pension will give you a year. In addition, you can see detailed information and breakdowns for the specific section. Let's now go through the final salary benefits, 2008 to 2014. Select the question mark icon to find more details about this scheme. Between 2008 and 2014, the accrual rate of your final salary pension was changed to 1/60th of your final pay. These figures reflect the amount you earned during this period, plus any additional increases you are receiving. As above, you will be shown the annual accrual rate according to the scheme, in this case 1/60th of final pay. In the next section, you will be shown how much your pension has increased by in the financial year that you have selected. In the final figure, you will be able to see how much this pension will provide a year when you retire. For detailed information and breakdowns, expand the drop-down. Finally, you can download a printed version of this information. Select Download a printed version. Memberships before the 1st of April 2008. Your annual pension is calculated by dividing your total membership by 80 and multiplying this figure by your final salary pensionable pay. In addition, an automatic tax-free lump sum is payable if you were a member before 2008. Let's now go through the Death Benefits tab. What would happen to your pension if you were to pass away before retirement? In the event of this happening, your nominated dependents will receive a lump sum death grant and an annual survivor's pension. For illustrative purposes, survivor's pension has been calculated on the assumption you are married. This has no impact on your pension. See below for more details. Lump sum death grant. This is payable if you die while still in employment, and the amount is normally based on 3 times your annual salary. Annual survivor's pension. In addition, if you have any dependents, they will receive a yearly paid income. This figure is calculated after debits are applied. For example, like remaining mortgage or divorce settlements. Please find more detailed information and breakdowns under the drop-down. You can also download this page as a PDF. Select Download a printed version.